Amogus. Pum 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 pums.
Okay. If you are looking for a gift for a boy 10 years old, you can find this strange looking stuff. I don't know what is it, but we have a specialist to tell you what is it. I don't know what is it. Do you like it?
This is a bear. His name is Glamrock Freddy. He's from game Five Nights at Freddy's Security Breach.
What is main features?
He is our comrade and he helps us. In one end of the game, he helps us to go from the Mega Pizza Plex.
How it works?
Gregory is the main character of the game. It's a boy. Opened a vent in his stomach.
Wow.
And if we're near animatronics, he hides in his stomach.
Okay, show us what he can do.
Let's take him out.
His hand is out.
Yeah. It's sometimes. He can move his arms, his legs, his head. Hello.
Oh, I need this one. Tell me something.
Amogus. And he has got microphone and stand for microphone. Let's put it. Here it is. Now, Freddy needs to be normal. And
Can he sing?
Amogus. Pum 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 pums. Pum pums. Yes.
Do you know some Freddy songs?
I can sing it only when it works.
Are you happy with this toy?
Yes, very.
Very happy.
But it costs
How much does it cost?
20 euros.
Holy cow! 20 euros for this small cow.
Cow?
Big. Okay. Oh, I'm happy. Do you like it?
And he can move his head like that.
Yeah. Well.
And he can do like that. Okay, in this series he has got some more animatronics and not only. We have Glamrock Chica, Roxy, Montgomery and Wani.